Hey everyone! So, whether it's warm or cold at the moment where you live, it's very important to use scrub on your skin. Today, I'm going to share with you a very simple and super easy body scrub recipe that only requires 3 ingredients. It will scrub away all those body cells and leave you with smooth, glowing, and healthy, good-looking skin. So here is what you're gonna be needing: brown sugar and white sugar, which will act as an exfoliation in your scrub. Then we're gonna need honey, which opens up your skin pores, killing them and get rid of blackheads. And then we're gonna need some oil, and I'm gonna go with almond oil today, which helps moisturize your skin. You will also gonna need a pretty jar to store your scrub in. If you're having it in the shower, you might like to consider a plastic jar just in case it drops. So let's get started. The first thing you wanna do is to put your sugars into a mixing bowl. So I'm gonna first put brown sugar, and I'm gonna go with half of a cup of brown sugar. Also, I'm gonna go with half of a cup of white sugar. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together. Then go ahead and add in your honey. And then I give it a little mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my oil here, and I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Then I mix this all together until it's well combined. So now I go ahead and add in some essential oil drops, but this step is optional. For me, I just love essential oils. I add some lemon drops, so now our scrub is ready. Now go ahead and add it into your jar. So for me, I like to go ahead and make it look more beautiful. So what I do, I have my ribbons right here, and I'm gonna go with this color that matches my scrub, and then I'm gonna cut some and then tie it around my jar, and that's it. Looks pretty. So here you have your very own made all natural body scrub. Use your scrub a couple times a week and say goodbye to dead skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY.